Hello and welcome everybody. This is the Now You Try problem solution video for how to evaluate expressions in function notation when the function is given as a set of points, and then solve equations in function notation where the function is given as a set of points. Same set in this case. So the problem that we are looking at is let the function capital H of t be completely defined by the following set of points. Real quick note, capital H, not small h. Math is case sensitive. If I had a little h of t, that would be a different function than the capital H of t. And that's because there's more than 26 functions out there, and we often want to have more than just the little letters to define a function. So be careful. If something's given as a capital, keep it as a capital. If it's given as a lowercase, keep it as a lowercase. All right, that's not the point of this lesson. We want to go into looking at the set of points and then evaluating some expressions and then solving some equations. Let's look at how capital H of t is defined. It's defined as the set of points, negative 100, comma 5, the first point. The second point is negative 55, comma 1. The third point is negative 10, comma 0. The fourth point is 0, comma 0. The fifth point is 12, comma 1. We have a typo here. Let me fix this. It should be a comma. Whoops. Oh no. Okay, I gotta pause. So actually that was just repeated. So it's just this single set here. So the 5 points that I just read. And so we want to start in part A, part I, under A, capital H of 0. So I look for where is 0 an input. Let's do this red. Let me see, that's in the fourth point. The output here is 0. So we can just say capital H of 0 equals 0. And then the second problem here, part A, part double I, capital H of negative 100. That's that first point, has an input of negative 100, and we see that the function capital H outputs the value 5. And then we have capital H of 10, but 10 is not an input for capital H. Capital H is not defined with that as a possible input. So we can say that capital H of 10 is undefined. All right, let's look at part B. We want to solve the following equations. The first equation, part I, being capital H of t equals 5. So I look through the list of points and I see an output of 5 in the first point. So the solution, the input that gives us that is negative 100. Capital H of negative 100 equals 5. So negative 100 is the solution. Now we can say the solution set is the set containing the number negative 100. The second equation is capital H of t equals 0. When I look for 0 as an output, we see that in 2 points up here, both negative 10, comma 0 and 0, comma 0. So both h of negative 10 equals 0 and h of 0 equals 0. So the solution set, there's 2 solutions here, the solution set is the set containing negative 10 and the number 0. All right, our third equation that we're looking at is h of t equals 7. And as we look through the list of points, 7 is not an output of capital H. So we can say the solution set, there is no solutions to this, so the solution set is the set with nothing inside of it. And that's it. That's all of them. I hope that helps you check all of your answers here. Pause, rewind as you need, and when you're all set, go ahead and move into the next video next video. Next video is going to be looking at graphs of functions where we evaluate using a graph, and then we'll have videos on solving equations using a function defined by a graph. All right, thanks again. We'll see you in the next one.